Okay, Danielle. So, one of the videos that I wanted to show you was actually how to create a page from blank. A blank slate, a blank header, a landing page, anything that's literally just going to make it really easy for you to create a custom page. Because I know that there's going to be pages that you're going to want to create in the future, or me, um, for OBM stuff, to where we can create a page for you that isn't um, what you already have. So to start with, I want to run over some of the templates that we've created that have already come with the page and may not necessarily come in handy all of the time, but can definitely be something that you might use, tweak, whatever. So the first thing to kind of look at is the template. So the default template is, you've probably seen it a couple of times. It's the couch page, or it's the couch picture with the gray text in your cursive or your script, and then also a blank page, like just the rest of it is blank. So I'll go ahead and show you that. I'll hit publish, give that a second to load, and then we'll go ahead and hit view page. So as you can see, the very first thing that pops up is the couch and your test page. So this is your basic every page template. The couch was just supposed to be like something of your branding that was comfortable and kind of cozy, because you're somebody who's really easygoing and relaxing and chill, but you still have this element to you that's so feminine and very comforting and sophisticated all at the same time. So we wanted to give you a banner that would do that same thing, hence us creating this banner image. So while this is like the standard image that you can use for any page, you are not required to use this banner. You can actually replace the banner on the page with another one. So the test page text as well is just a color. It's the gray that's in your logo. We wanted to make sure that you had the text consistent across your whole website, no matter what kind of page you created. So this was our example of creating a test page for you that would be really easy to edit, still have your branding, and make you feel empowered to kind of create a page with your branding and not feel like you're going too far off your goal. So the next thing I kind of want to run through is the different templates that you can use that are basically the same thing as some of the other pages we've made for you. However, you can use the same model of the template without creating the same exact page, using the same idea, same template, using different content, images, whatever you'd like. So I'll go ahead and use grouped items as a good template for you to use, and it automatically pops up with this feature down below. So I'm going to go ahead, there isn't a minimize button. So we'll go ahead and like run through what this looks like. This is kind of the same thing that you'll see in your freebies, your do-it-yourself, and your group activities. It's a header image or the title image. Then, so I'll pick a random image that you have in here, or maybe I'll pick a random image. I'll use the one that I saved from the other video. Hit select. This is your header. Awesome. Now we'll go ahead and hit add item. Now add item, this is going to be your header of your page. However, this is going to be now the items that go below this. So we have a few different buttons here that are click here to get it now, click here to join the Kick-Ass group. We have a bunch of different buttons, and we can add buttons as we go. But this is the basic setup of I want to get them into another page. Like this would be almost a big course page where they have a few different selections. You could use this for pretty much anything. Maybe it could be different weeks of the course. Again, we would want to add a button for that. But these are just different ways that we can use the different templates. However, this isn't something that's really necessary or anything that you would need to worry about. I would most likely be doing this as your OBM. But I did want you to see that this is one of the options of the templates you can use. Same thing when you go ahead and work through some of these other different pages, the work with me page. Like this is all, this would be your banner that you choose. This would be, again, you add your item, all the things that you see on your work with me page, you can go ahead and use here. There's a few different colors. These are all your branded colors, by the way, that you would use. They're just labeled green, purple, and pink as your versions of the color. The other feature of creating a new page that I wanted you to see was being able to remove the header image like we talked about. You would click this, and then you would click also being able to like remove the page title. Like let's say we create a banner together that's a page title that you want to hide because you have a cool banner that you wanted to share on the page, like we do it on the testimonials page. So you would uncheck the show page title. So now when we go ahead and hit update here, we'll go ahead and view the test page and see what happens now. So now you have your test page that automatically generates the title, which again, like this can be removed. Just making sure that you're using the unchecking and checking the buttons to make sure that you're getting the right effect that you want for the page. I'm trying to think of anything else for these pages that you'll want to customize. When you're using these general, you'll want to make sure to use the default template, hit update. I used the wrong template, I apologize. Maybe it's just having a bug and I'm wrong, so I'll go ahead and hit view page. Yep, now there's nothing on the page but the footer. If there's anything else that you want to be able to remove, whether it's the menu or the footer or something in particular, we can discuss adding those features. But I just wanted you to feel empowered to be able to add those pages, and those are like the little baby features that we added for you. Because I know that you've got some experience in WordPress. You can add text here. You can, again, go to these other templates, use any of those. If you have any questions on any of the other features that you may or may not want to add, we'll get you all taken care of there, and let me know if you need anything else. This is how we'll be using to create landing pages in general, whether it's me or you. So just give me a heads up. Have a great day, darling. Bye.